What is up, my YouTube followers? Memory Sports Cards coming at you live with another break. I traded something to my dealer, so I got some stuff. Some leftover packs of Chrome. After this, I'll probably just do any packs I get will be towards Christmas, but maybe a box. We're a box of Fully Loaded. 4 packs of Upper Deck. Box of 2021 Artifacts that will be done last. I did pick up this Bianca Belair autograph. It was $8. Figured if she wins at WrestleMania, this is going to go up in price, so why not? She seems to be high on McMahon's list. So I'm going to start by opening the Chrome packs. See how I do. Have Mandy Rose, Seth Rollins, King Corbin, and Walter. The Walter will stay with me. We have Adam Cole, Io Shirai, Roderick Strong, and a Triple H refractor. That one will go up here. Asuka, Kane, a Miz variant, I think. No. Just a base and a Bianca Belair refractor. That will stay with me. Finn Balor refractor. A Naomi, Rusev, Angelo Dawkins, and a Finn Balor refractor, which I think I have already. So. Leo Rush, Tony Storm, Heath Slater, and a Logos refractor. Two more packs. Velveteen Dream, Lacey Evans, Kurt Angle insert, Big Legends, and a Becky Lynch refractor. This pack, let's see us get some mojo maybe. I could start with Matt Riddle, not my favorite character. Rhea Ripley, Bailey, 97 and a 199 King Corbin autograph, and a Matt Riddle refractor. So the Corbin's nice. eBay. I'm not going to keep it because I'm not a King Corbin fan, but if you get a last autograph in a pack, always nice. Try and put this in the holder properly. So we're done with that. Alright, on to the Upper Deck hockey packs. I only have 4 of these packs left, so I picked them up hoping to get a left on the air. Or a Blackhawk. I've already made a deal to get 2 boxes of Series 2 with him. John Marino, Riley Smith was my dealer. Matt Zuccarello, Darnell Nurse. A portrait of Travis Konechny. Darlene, Noah Hannafin, and Drew Doughty. Sean Couturier, Jacob Shisharin, Brock Nelson, Matt Zuccarello portraits, Alexander Barkov, Travis Konechny, James Neal, and Jonathan Drouin. No French bags. A Colin White, Nick Dowd, William Nollander, Connor Hellebuck, Dazzler's Blue, Tony D'Angelo, Crowley, John Crook, Ben Bishop, and David British. Last pack. Come on, Mojo. I need young guns here. Nazem Kadri, Alex Kerfoot, Nikolai Ehlers, Artem Anisimov, Carter Hart, Christian Dvorak, Jean-Gabriel Pajot, Nikita Zaitsev. Okay, always make sure that there's no French card back. I guess there's not. So we're gonna go on to the packs. Normally I don't do all these, I'll do them separately, but there's one hit in this product. And Artifacts is not a huge box. So let's see how I do. Come on. So this will be fully loaded. We'll just open it like this, which is basically a pack. And we got one that I need to keep. A Dakota Kai. It looks like Chair Relic autograph. Number 90 and 99. This will be staying with me. Really nice autograph. So, very happy with that one. Sorry. Oh, I got a scissor here. And yes, I'll be using a kid's scissors to open this. So in here there are 3 autographed memorabilia or Orem cards. I think you get one of each pretty much. And 1 rookie redemption. You can't get other redemptions, 2 redemptions. You can get multiple redemptions because part of the rookie cards are the redemptions. So we will see. So let's start with pack number 1. Big money. Pierre-Luc Dubois. Brent Burns up. Let's see, we got a redemption. Colorado Avalanche rookie redemption. Ethan. And Tristan Jarry. Anthony Duclair. Dougie Hamilton. Tyler Bertuzzi, number 9 out of 299. You know, a lot of his stuff this year. And a Jean Pajot. A James Van Riemsdyk. Matt Murray. Lucas Carlson at 399. 94 out of 399. And a nice thick card. So we have a Jonathan Huberdeau, a Emerald of Dominic Hasek, numbered 65 out of 99. Filler, Ricard Raquel, and Mikko Koskinen. So the last 3 should have something. The last 4 maybe. Sergei Bobrovsky, William Nylander, a 407 out of 499 Johnny Gaudreau, and Travis Konecki. Just get in here. So I'm going to pull this up. Peter Mrazek, Jacob Voracek, a 2019-2020 rookie sweaters of Nikita Gusev, not numbered. Of course, I get Gusev. Another hit. This might be nice. Tuukka Rask, David Krejci, Threads in Time, Jerome Iginla, not numbered. So I guess this is going to be an Orem or an autograph. Looks like an autograph of some sort. Anthony D'Angelo, Gustav Nyquist, Braden Point, it's Canadian. Patrick Waugh endorsements. Oh, this is beautiful. 9 out of 28. Wow, that is a big time hit. Patrick Waugh endorsements autograph. Put this in. All right. So a pretty good break again. Got the endorsement. Got the Jerome Iginla. Got the Avalanche. So did pretty good this break. Thank you for watching. I will see you soon. Peace.